Hi everyone, this is your boss mom VA and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and make money online tips. So if you're interested with this kinds of topic, just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you the virtual assistant services that you could offer as a beginner in freelancing or pagiging isang virtual assistant. So if you're aspiring virtual assistant or you're a newbie in this industry and you don't know yet, you are not sure what are the services that you could offer to clients as a beginner VA, then this video is right for you. So if you're already interested to know more about it, then let's dive in. So before we further proceed, if you're new to my channel and you don't know what are the basics that you need to know to start working from home as a virtual assistant and how you could earn as a virtual assistant, I already have a video tutorial about it. So yung link ng video is nasa description box below. And I do suggest na panoorin mo muna yon so that meron ka ng basic knowledge about how to prepare, what are the tools that you need to have for you to start your career as a freelancer or virtual assistant. So, go check mo na muna yung video na yon before ka mag-proceed sa video na ito. Okay? Okay, so number 1 on our list for VA service that you could offer to client as a beginner is data entry. And the tasks involving data entry are simple copy-paste, screenshots, transcribing. Ito yung makikinig ka sa audio file and then i-convert mo yung audio file na yon into a text. So, ita-type mo into a words yung rinig mong audio, and then gathering information to input into a file, updating information from file, convert from file to a new file, and mostly encoding or typing tasks. So this VA type of task, you don't need to be an expert, no, para ma-offer mo to sa client. So because these are just basic stuff or basic tasks. So, may example ako here ng isang client na naghahanap ng gagawa sa kanya ng simple research and data entry. So, this one, nag-approach tong client na to sa akin sa fiverr.com na platform. So, hello, I have a new project that I need help with, requires research and data entry. We'll be qualifying leads based on criteria that I'll provide. How soon are you able to get started and when can you have 4 hours work done? So, this one, hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert or merong experience kan agad or background sa pagiging VA. So, this client is naghahanap siya ng gagawa ng research and data entry for him. And ibibigay niya yung criteria. Ipoprovide niya yon. So, you don't need to worry about baka hindi ka i-hire ng client kasi wala kang VA experience. No, wag mong isipin yan, no? Kasi karaniwan sa mga aspiring VA ngayon, natatakot silang hindi sila or ma-reject sila sa pag-apply because they don't have any experience sa pagiging VA. You don't need to have an experience, no? Pag nag-start ka, pwede kang kumuha ng gantong klaseng mga clients na naghahanap lang sila ng someone, ng isang VA, to do the data entry task for him. And ipoprovide nila usually yung instruction niyan, and magbibigay sila ng criteria or process. Ibibigay nila yan sa'yo. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to follow their instructions. And as a VA, of course, ito yung number 1 din na skills na kailangan meron ka is that you can follow instructions well. So, if magaling kang mag-follow ng instructions, then definitely, this one is for you. So, data entry, basic stuff lang yan. I-input mo lang yung file, mag-gather ka lang ng file. For example, kunyari, ang task ng client is that, please research on seafood restaurants around California, and then get their contact information, the name of the manager, and the email address. And then put it in the Google Sheet file. So, ganun na yung gagawin mo. So, magre-research ka lang sa Google, tatargetin mo yung California na lugar, na address, and then start mo nang i-copy-paste yung mga information, yung mga criteria na binanggit niya, and then lalagay mo lang siya sa Google Sheets. So, napakadali lang yan, and you don't need to be an expert para kumita ka sa VA doing data entry, okay? Next naman on our list for VA service that you could offer to clients is email management. So, ano ba yung mga pwede mong gawin under this task? So, ito yung mga tasks involving email management, checking of emails, deleting of emails, unsubscribe to emails, creating folders, filtering emails, organizing of emails, replying to emails, and sending of emails. So, si client basically is naghahanap siya ng someone to do email management for him or her. So, ang gagawin mo lang is, depende yon sa process or instructions na ipoprovide sa'yo ni client. Siguro sasabihin niya sa'yo na, please check my emails for me if there's any unwanted emails. Like, kunyari, mga promotion lang naman yung emails na hindi naman related dun sa business ni client, you can delete it. And also, di ba, meron ding mga spam emails or yung mga subscription emails na hindi naman nag-subscribe si client pero palaging nag-send ng emails yung mga company na yon or shop na yon. So, you just need to unsubscribe it. Creating folders, kunyari, sinabi ni client is, for influencers na mag-a-approach sa akin through emails, please create a folder for that. And then, parang ilagay mo yung mga emails na yon to a certain folder. And then, filtering of emails or organizing of emails, of course, parang ganun din siya, no? So, if i-filter mo lang yung mga emails na kailangan or basically yung mga emails lang na related kay client. And then, yung mga iba is, i-discard mo na. Replying to emails, so depende yan sa client kung sinabi niyang you need to reply to emails kapag yung mga clients or customers ko yung nag-send ng email. And then sending of emails, ito naman yung pag mga inutos niya sa'yo is, can you send an email to Mr. Blah blah or for this email address and then tell them that I have a meeting with blah blah blah. So, depende yan sa client kung ano yung instructions niya. So, ayan. So, it's basically, kung marunong kang mag-manage ng email, this skill or this task, it doesn't require na maging expert ka, no? Kasi basic stuff lang din to and basic task. And for as long as marunong kang mag-check ng email, for example, Gmail, pwede mong practicing yan sa sarili mong Gmail and then do this basic task. In fact, I already have a video about basic email management using Gmail. So, please check my YouTube channel, Bossma VA. Hanapin niyo siya dito sa ating channel. Or yung link ng video is ilalagay ko sa description box below para meron kang idea kung ano ba yung basic email management. So here's an example of a client that offered me a VA job. So I'm looking for someone to do some admin work and replying to emails. So thanks for reaching out. May I ask how many hours do you require for this post? Hello will be 5 to 10 hours per week. Depends on the workload. Sounds good. I'm available to work for you for 5 to 10 hours per week. So for this one, in-approach din ako ng client na to. I think sa Fiverr din. And as you can see, he just want someone na tulong sa kanya sa mga admin tasks, no, and replying to email. So, basically, kayang-kaya mo rin to, email management lang, magre-reply ka lang sa emails. And definitely, may process or instructions sa'yo ibibigay yung client. So, you don't need to be an expert, no? Kahit newbie ka, kayang-kaya mo tong VA task na to. Okay? The third on our list for VA service that you could offer to client as a beginner is basic social media management. So, yung basic social media management, these are the tasks, no? Handling social media account, Facebook man yan or Instagram or other social media platform, post content, schedule content, follow or unfollow, replying to messages or comments, like, post, and share. So, these are just basic stuff na for sure kung kayang-kaya mo, kung meron kang Facebook, kung meron kang Instagram, and mahilig ka sa social media, definitely, this VA service is pwede mong ma-offer sa client or matulungan siya sa task niya sa basic social media management. And you don't need to be an expert again. Once again, you don't need to be an expert for as long as mapafollow mo yung instruction ng client on how the client want you to do the social media management for him. So basically, handle mo lang yung social media account ng client. So, bibigyan ka niya ng access or gagawin ka niyang admin. Kunyari sa Facebook business page niya. Meron siyang Facebook business page and wala na siyang time bilang busy person siya. Wala na siyang time para mag-post ng content, mag-schedule ng content, mag-follow and unfollow, replying sa mga messages and comments ng mga followers niya or yung mga subscribers niya, and mag-like, post, and share. So, sa panahon na to, napaka-importante or almost all businesses is kailangang may social media because yung panahon natin ngayon is social media era na tayo and most of the marketing is ginagawa na online and through the use of social media. And sobrang daming clients ang naghahanap ng mga VA to handle the social media for them. And you don't need to be an expert kasi these things naman, for sure ako ginagawa mo na rin to sa sarili mong Facebook page or Instagram page. Yung mga tasks na yan, like yung pagpo-post ng content, pag-schedule ng content, follow and follow, replying to messages, like, post, and share. And I'm going to show you yung mga clients na naghahanap ng gantong task. So here is another example of a client approaching me and offering me a social media management post. So, hi, how much is your rate for answering DMs, FB messages for an online dessert shop? Common questions like how much, what is the delivery fee, how to order, status of my order. Also assisting the client in ordering, like getting their details. Most of the clients are in Metro Manila. So this one is a local client, no? Based in the Philippines siya. Naghahanap lang siya ng isang VA na mag-a-answer ng mga direct messages sa Facebook business page niya. So, kaya-kaya mo rin gawin to. So, ibibigay lang din niya yung usual na i-answer mo about doon sa product niya or sa store niya. And yeah, i-guide ka naman ni client, no, sa yung mga usual na replies na pwede mong i-reply sa mga customers. And again, this is just common or basic social media tasks. Magre-reply ka lang sa Facebook messages. Kita ka na, no, bilang isang social media assistant ng client. Here's another example of a client approaching me to do VA tasks for him. So, hi there! Would you be interested in being our VA to engage with your followers on Instagram and Facebook? So, ang gagawin mo lang basically is mag-engage ka lang doon sa followers niya on Instagram and Facebook. So, pwedeng i-like mo yung comment ng isang commenter or yung follower niya, follow and follow ka. And then, i-reply mo rin yung mga messages or comments ng mga followers niya. So, these are basic stuff and you don't need to be an expert. Kayang-kaya mo siyang gawin. So, kasi kung ginagawa mo siya sa sarili mong social media page, for sure, at sure na sure ako na kaya mo rin tong task na to. And kikita ka pa, di ba? Okay, so the last on our list for VA service that you could offer as a beginner is general admin support. So, what are the tasks involving general admin support? These are processing data, travel booking, answering phone calls, managing emails, file or document management, calendar management, and other admin tasks. So, sa general admin support, basically, a variety of tasks yung ibibigay sa'yo ng client, no? So, kung ano yung related sa nature of industry or business ni client, doon mag-revolve yung iyong task. So, minsan, mga data entry lang. Minsan naman, papa-answerin ka ng phone call. So, pero depende sa'yo kung ayaw mo ng mga phone call na task, ano. So, pipiliin mo lang din yung mga clients na walang phone calls. Kasi ako, ganun ako yun. Ang mga offer ko lang is mga non-voice job. I don't take or I don't receive yung mga phone calls. So, it is really up to you, no, kung gusto mo yung mga ganung task. Managing emails, file document management, merong mga files or documents si client, gusto niya lang i-arrange mo yun or ilagay mo yun sa isang folder. Sa mga emails din, kagaya ng email management, so same lang din siya. Sa calendar management naman, pag may mga meeting, ipa-plot mo yung meeting na yon, yung time, and venue ng meeting sa virtually sa calendar. So, kung ano yung gamit na calendar ni client. So, kung ano yung mga tasks, usually mga admin tasks to, no? So, hindi mo rin kailangan maging expert sa pagiging, sa pag-handle ng mga tasks na to kasi basically bibigyan ka ng process ni client or instructions on how to do it. So, kunyari may client na busy lang and kailangan lang niya ng someone, wala na siyang time para mag-book ng travel, so ibibigay niya sa yung website na gusto niya. So, paano mo i-book yun or tatawag ka sa isang restaurant para i-book yung kanilang dinner. So, yung mga ganong klase ng stuff. And meron namang client na ang gusto lang, i-manage mo lang yung emails niya and i-document or i-organize mo lang yung mga documents niya online. So, here's an example of a client approaching me. Again, sa Fiverr din ata to. So, hello, I am writing to you to see if you would like to fulfill orders for my business on a daily basis. Currently, would be an hour a day to fulfill orders and supply tracking numbers. Hope to hear back from you. And then dito sa baba, I can show you how I've been doing it. I can give you consistent work daily. So for this one, ang kailangan lang ng client na to, since meron siyang e-commerce business, is someone, a VA, na magpo-fulfill ng orders for him. And sabi niya dito, I can show you how I've been doing it and I can give you consistent work daily. So dito binigyan ako ng client ng process on how to fulfill orders. Kasi wala akong any experience din sa fulfilling orders, lalo na sa Shopify platform that time. And naging client ko to, I think, 1 year. Naging client ko to, 1 year. Nagpo-fulfill lang ako ng orders for him. So, ang gamit niyang platform Shopify, then integrated siya sa AliExpress. So, tinuruan niya ako yung step-by-step process. And madali lang siya, basically. And all you need to do is to follow the instructions. So, magpo-fulfill ka lang ng orders, ilalagay mo lang yung order ng client, yung name niya, yung address niya, contact number doon sa software na gamit niya. And then that's it. Ipo-fulfill lang siya. And every day, may consistent akong work from him doing this task. So, kung nakaya ko to as a beginner noon na walang kaalam-alam sa e-commerce like Shopify, is kaya mo rin to, no? So, lalo na siguro kung online seller ka and may basic knowledge ka na about fulfilling orders. Kunyari, Shopee seller ka or Lazada seller ka before or nag-online selling ka kahit sa Facebook lang. So, definitely meron ka ng basic knowledge kung ano yung fulfilling of orders. So, dito, tinuruan naman ako ng client kasi sabi ko wala akong this is the first time pala I'm fulfilling orders from Shopify, pero may basic knowledge na ako about e-commerce platform, no? Because I'm an online seller din. So, yun. So, pero yung pag-fulfill ng orders gamit yung AliExpress, and Shopify, wala akong any experience about it. So, nakuha ko pa rin tong client na to kahit na wala akong experience doon sa mga platform na sinabi niya. Pinakita niya kasi sa akin or nagbigay siya ng process documents on how to do it. So, nagkaroon kami ng call via Zoom and then nag-screen share lang siya kung paano ko gagawin. So, parang ganito lang yung parang sinabi niya lang na, okay, Jackie, this is how you do it. You just log into my account, blah, blah, blah. And this is how you will fulfill orders, blah, blah, blah. So, ganun lang. So, as a VA, kahit newbie ka, pwede kang makakuha ng gantong client and consistent work siya everyday. Meron akong work sa kanya doing this task na order fulfilling. So, kahit newbie ka and wala kang any experience sa VA, kayang-kaya mo talagang makakuha ng client sa mga gantong klase ng basic task. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kang notified pag meron tayong bagong videos. And I do have a social media page. You can follow me on Facebook page, Boss Mom VA, here on my YouTube channel, Boss Mom VA, and meron din tayong TikTok, Boss Mom Jackie. So see you again next time. Bye for now!